What's up, boys and girls?
My name is Naya.
Nicole,
And
we're going to present Colombia. Language spoken to speak Spanish. Size on 1 million square kilometers. Population is high 45 million inhabitants. Capital city of Colombia, Bogota. Continent, it is located in South America. Its flag is red, blue, yellow. Currency, 10 basic unit of 10 Colombia currency in 10 Colombia pesos. President Juan Manuel Santos. Climate, tropical, weight on tempo, too late, wind, rain, animal from jaguar to caiman to poissondage from high tide, Colombia, jungle on.
they produce emeralds and coffee, bananas, oil, gold, fruits. Colombia has a great music scene. Some of the most known Colombian musicians are Shakira, Juanes, Maluma, and Carlos Vives. One of Colombia's first rose in Levan drums. Interesting facts: Museo de Lora, Parque Nacional Tayrona, Catedral de Sal, Montserrat, Islas Canales del Rosario, Museo Botera, etc.
The most popular sport is football, soccer, the Colombia national team won the 2001 Copa America. The traditional national sport of Colombia is Tejo, typical main meals is rice, and coco, bandaya, paisa, empanadas.
Here we have banana cream, typical from Colombia.
Would you like to taste it?